Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to share with you a dividend stock that I recently added to my watchlist, but before that I want to clarify that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice, of course. The stock I am talking about is none other than UFP Industries Inc., ticker symbol UFPI. It caught my attention recently because the share price is down more than 18% since last year, while year to date it is down more than 15%. UFP Industries Inc., together with its subsidiaries, designs, manufactures, and supplies wood and non-wood composites and other materials in the United States and internationally. It operates through retail, packaging, and construction segments. The retail segments offers pressure-treated lumber products including decking, fencing, lattice pressure-treated and fire-retardant products used primarily for outdoor decking environment, lawn and garden products consisting of wood and vinyl fencing and lattice, garden beds and planters, pergolas, picnic tables, and other landscaping products. This segment also provides wood plastic composites, composite decking and related decking accessories, including aluminum railing systems, balusters, post caps and other products, exterior siding, pattern, trim and fascia products, pre-painted and primed shiplap and project boards. Its packaging segment offers custom and structural packaging products, pallets, corrugate boxes, foam, labels, strapping and films. The construction segment provides roof trusses, cut to size dimensional and board lumber, plywood and oriented strand boards, engineered wood components including roof and floor trusses, wall panels, L-joists and lumber packages, alternate materials components such as metal trusses, sheathed and pre-finished light gauge metal and panels, aluminum balconies and decks, aluminum rail accessories, as well as distribution siding, electrical and plumbing products. The segment also offers wood forms and related products to set or form concrete for structures such as parking garages, stadiums, commercial structures, bridges, interior fixtures, casework, architectural millwork for retail and commercial structures. The company was formerly known as Universal Forest Products Inc. and changed its name to UFP Industries Inc. in April 2020. UFP Industries Inc. was incorporated in 1955 and is headquartered in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Its industry is lumber and wood production, while its sector is materials, of course. They currently have a market cap of $5.67 billion, so we are clearly talking about a very big company. They have a P ratio of 15.66, which is not bad, but there are many competitors trading with lower P ratios than theirs. Their forward P ratio is slightly better, it is 15.04. This means that they're expecting their earnings to grow, but again, this is nothing special. Looking into their financials and into their income statement specifically, it is obvious that the revenue is declining during the last few years, but this happened after 3 years of huge revenue growth. So it's not as bad as it sounds. Hopefully, the revenue will start growing again. One of my favorite things about the stock is that they buy back shares. They are not exactly consistent, but they seem to buy back shares more aggressively lately. If they continue doing that consistently, it will be even more impressive. As for their basic earnings per share and their diluted earnings per share, they are declining, but again, this happened after 3 years of massive EPS growth. Their current basic EPS are 6.12 and their diluted EPS are 6.11, which is really good in my opinion. I want to see their EPS growing again, but for now, I am okay with where they are at. UFPI has a very impressive dividend growth. They have managed to consistently raise their dividends, and it's not only that, it's double digits dividend growth on average. Now, let's continue with their balance sheet. Their current cash and equivalents are $903.56 million. This is a solid cash position, especially for a company of this size. They can use this money to invest back in their business so they can hopefully start growing consistently again, pay special dividends to their shareholders, or they could use it to pay off some of their debt, which honestly is not that bad. I will get more into this later in this video. Their short-term investments are $30.73 million, nothing too crazy. So, in total, their cash and short-term investments are $934.29 million. Their total debt is $358.29 million. This debt is so small that they can even pay it off now if they want to, and still have a bunch of cash left. Their net cash debt is $576 million. So, for now, their debt is not concerning at all. I'll still keep an eye on it, of course, and keep you updated. UFPI has a dividend yield of 1.46%, which is definitely on the lower end, but because they also have the solid 7.94% dividend growth, your yield on cost will become much higher pretty fast. Their dividend growth seems to be slowing down, but it's still great. As long as this dividend growth is consistent, I'm not complaining. They have a very low and healthy payout ratio of 22.92%. This means that they can easily afford their current dividend, while also having at the same time a lot of room to keep raising their dividends in the future. For every single UFPI share you own, you will get paid $1.40 annually, so 35 cents every single quarter, because its payout frequency is quarterly. Its current buyback yield is 2.62%, not too shabby. This is a great way to give back some extra value to the shareholders. If this was consistent, it would be even better. This is also something that I want to see from them, so I'll keep an eye on it. This makes the shareholder yield 4.08%. Analyst consensus for UFPI stock is strong buy. This shows that they are very positive about the share price performance during the next 12 months. They gave it a low estimate of $125, an average estimate of $143, a median estimate of $155, and a high estimate of $157. So, they're expecting the share price to grow between 31% to 64% approximately. This is massive growth. Personally, I really like UFPI stock at the current valuation. Their PE ratio and their forward PE ratio could be better, but this is not a deal breaker for me. I also like their dividend stats and the fact that they have a very small debt and a huge cash position. I don't like that the revenue and earnings per share are declining. My target is $75. I think that this is a fair price to start a position in this company, but even if this happened tomorrow, I wouldn't be able to buy because I currently don't have a lot of cash. I already invested everything I had, so for now, I'll just be patient, collect the dividends, and save as much as possible. My goal is to have at least 20% in cash, but I'm nowhere near to achieving this goal. It will take some time. Let me know in the comments below what is your opinion about UFPI stock. Do you maybe already own it? And also, let me know how is your invest journey going so far. Subscribe and turn the notifications on so you can see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you in the next one.